Dream Baby's BREEZZ-GUARD keyless window restrictor safely limits a window opening to reduce the risks of falls and accidents through open windows. BREEZZ-GUARD allows for fresh airflow. It safely limits a window opening to a secure distance. Being keyless, it has a double action opening to make it accessible for parents to open while being too difficult for little children. The strong stainless steel cable secures the window from opening past the restricted distance of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. With just a few screws, installation is simple on a variety of window types, including hinged, sash, and sliding. Window locks are an essential part of any home safety.